Today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. It's got 23,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. We'll go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks to be in really good shape here. No problems at all. Not even a scratch. Go ahead and make our way down the passenger or the rear of the vehicle. We do notice that it's got the rear park assist, backup camera. Okay, it is a Trailhawk edition. I'll get into that more when we get inside the vehicle, but it's got all the bells and whistles you could possibly want. Go ahead and make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in phenomenal shape. Okay, it's got the black badge writing there. Really, really nice vehicle. This thing doesn't even have a dent on it nor a scratch. It's in fantastic shape. It's a 15 with 23,000 miles. Let's go and check out the inside. Alright, as we can see, we got the black on the door panels. Really nice wood grain trim here. Power windows, power locks. It does have memory seating. Okay. Black leather, power driver's seat. It's got the red stitching, the perforated seats, and the back with the Trailhawk, okay, stitched in back there. It does have a keyless fob, power lift gate, okay, remote start. The passenger seat is in phenomenal shape as well. It doesn't even look like anybody's even sat in these seats. Not a wrinkle in them. Okay, automatic. This is a four-wheel drive. Auxiliary plugs, USB port, power supply, dual climate controls. Okay, it's got push button start. Really nice big touch screen and backup camera here. I'll turn that on for you in a second. Leather wrap steering wheel. Okay, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. Okay, let me go ahead and hop in here. Okay, we'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Go ahead and get the AC going. Okay, it does have heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Let's go ahead and get that navigation going for you. Okay, check that out. Nice big screen. Okay, we flipped it over so you can see it a little bit better to the nighttime view. All right, let's check out the controls. Like I said, it's got a vented seat, heated seats, heated steering wheel. All right, does have the backup camera. Go ahead and engage that for you. Huge screen right here, you can see it all. Even has turn the wheel, the lines will turn with it. Really nice feature there. Okay, go ahead and check the miles out. We've got 23,677 miles. All right. Universal remote. Okay, you can do your garage door opener there. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. All right, the door panel here in the back seat looks really good. No problems there. Okay, leather back here in the back seat's phenomenal shape. All right, it does have these nice rubber floor mats too, by the way, as well as in the front, and I'll show you that again if I failed to while I was up there. First time, the seats back here look like they're in great shape. No problems with the leather. Okay, I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, kind of give you the layout of the Cherokee. It's a phenomenal car here, only 23,000 miles on a 15. Okay, thing's been well taken care of. All right, let's go ahead and check out the back here, your storage area. Okay, lots of space back here. Carpet's in great shape. I'll go ahead and kind of step to the side so you can see the depth of how much storage you have. Okay, nice convenient power outlet down here. It also has the power lift gate. Press that button there. Okay, your lift gate's going to come right down, nice and smooth. Fantastic. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around to the passenger side of the back seat for you. Okay, just to give you another perspective of the leather over here. Everything is phenomenal. Okay, center little storage there with the cup holders. The back seat. Leather's in great shape. Door panel as well. Go ahead and give you a shot of the passenger seat. Okay, it's not a power passenger seat, it's manual. Okay, but the leather's in great shape. Okay, got the Trailhawk stitching there with all the red stitching coming through the seat here. Really beautiful vehicle. All black on the outside, all black on the inside. Okay, go ahead and take a look at the alloys. Got 17-inch alloys. Okay, the Trailhawk Edition wheels. Firestone Destination tires. All right, tread on them is still in great shape. All right, almost a brand new set of tires there. Okay, now once again, guys, this is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Edition, 23,000 miles, clean Carfax. It's a one owner. Okay, this car is very pretty, well taken care of. No scratches, no dings on the outside. The interior is perfect. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.